Hello guys, I'm excited to share that I am starting a new 3D printing business. I will be printing 3D models and will be selling them, or you can custom uh, print anything. Like what kind of models, if you ask, I will be selling, for example, miniature versions of yourself. I have already created a model of my parents, and I have ordered to print it on sobu.in, and after that it arrived, I will paint it, and if it looks good, I will buy a new 3D printer and start printing stuff by myself, and I will then sell it on sell it for you. Okay, so I will update you when I get the model. The package hasn't arrived yet. I think some shipment problems. So I was going to Swiggy, and I was ordering the shoot. So I am here in Blue Dart Center. I am going to pick the package for myself. So we have got our boxes here. Let's unpack it. Actually, there are two boxes. One is for another experimental 3D print I have bought. The other is a model of a miniature model of my parents. So I think this is the first one, experimental. Oh, actually, this is the one of my parents. Looking good. It's already looking good. Yes, we got our model here. Wow, it looks so much better than I have expected. Wow, nice. But the disc at the bottom here has some kind of deformity. I don't know what. Okay, so this is the first box. Let's unpack the second box. Actually, there are two models in this. I think one is a lithophane and other one. I'm not sure which. Let's look at this. Yes, it's a lithophane. Looks good. Where is the other? No, actually, it's only that. I have got some tab on it with the bill. Yes. So yeah, there is another model. Like, yeah, this is it. It's I just tested using the website. It got accidentally printed, and we have the lithophane here. Looks good. Let's unpack the lithophane. So you have to show this light, and will give it must give a good picture, but this one looks kind of negative, I think. So we have got our model. All we have to do now is to paint up. I have come to buy the paint. actually the print is finished. As you can see, it didn't turn out well, but I will be still be buying the 3D printer. I will print other stuff such as planters and something like that. And yeah, so yesterday was a failure. I think it is because the paint was not the correct type of paint. It was acrylic paint, and actually maybe I should try another paint. And the figure was also very small. Maybe I should try with larger figure, but that will be later. Now I have ordered a 3D printer, and when it arrives, I will post videos on it. So see you till then.